Hello everyone. In previous video, I told you introduction of this chapter. In this part, I will start exercise 5.1 from NCERT. Clear? First question, find the complement of each of the following angles. First one is
जी
20 degree. Means we will write let the complement angle be x, means x plus 20 equal to 90 degree. Here's complement is asking, that's why we know that sum of two angle is 90 degree. Clear? One angle is given, second we can find very easily. X equal to minus 20, x equal to 70 degree. By transposition method we can find value of x. Rest two part you can do. Clear? Second one, question number second, find the supplement of each of the following angles. Clear? Second A, $105. Clear? Let the supplement angle be x. Clear? Supplement means sum of two angle is 180 degree. X plus 105 equal to 180 degree. Then x equal to 180 minus 105. X equal to 75. Clear? First question, complement, we have taken 90 degree. Second is supplement, we have taken 180 degree. Clear? Second rest question you can do like this. Question number third, identify which of the following pair of angles are complementary and supplementary. Means here is so many values given. You will do plus. Those who are answer is coming 90 degree, that is complementary. Those who are answer is 180 degree, that is supplementary. Third one, 65, 150. Clear? So you will do plus. When sum is coming 180, that is supplementary. Sum is coming 90 degree, that is complementary. Means 65 plus 115 equal to 180 degree. It is supplementary. Clear? Second one, 63, 27. Clear? 2 plus it is 90, hence it is complementary. It is complementary angle. Note down. Rest part like this we will do. Question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Mean find the angle that is complement. Angle we don't know. Let the each angle be x. According to question, x plus x equal to 90. Clear? X plus x equal to 90. Why you have taken 90? Because it is complement. 2x equal to 90. X equal to 90 by 2. X equal to 45. You will divide it. You will get 45. Clear? Note down. Question number 5. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Let the angle be x. So there in that question sub complement, clear? We have taken 90 degree. Here is x plus x equal to 180 we will take, because supplement 2x equal to 180, x equal to 180 by 2, x equal to 90 degree, 2 9 80. Clear? Both question understand. Note down this. Question number 6. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. Angle 1 is decreased, that changes should be take place in angle 2, so that both the angles still remain supplementary. Clear? In question number 6, on a straight line, it is a given, it is angle 1, it is angle 2. Means in this question, angle 1 is decreased. What changes should take place angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Means in this question answer, angle 2 will increase, angle 2 will increase with the same measure as the decrease in angle 1. Clear? Angle 2 will increase with the same measure as the decrease in angle 1. Clear? Means angle 2 you can increase and angle 1 decrease. Clear? It is a solution of question number 6. Question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are? Means there is asking only yes or no. Means two acute angle if you are taking when you are doing plus, that will come supplementary or not. Means if two acute angle you will take, you will do sum, you will get 180 degree or not? Not. Means if two acute angle you will take, so you will not get 180 degree. Clear? Then answer is no. 7 first one answer is no. And obtuse angle, it is also, if you will take two obtuse angle, you will not get 180. Right angle, yes. Right angle means 90 degree. If two right angle you will do plus, you will get 180 degree. Means that is right angle. Note it. Question number 8 also you can do. Question number 9. Question number 9. It is a figure. It is a figure of question number 9. It is a figure of question number 9. There is 6 parts. First part is asking, is a angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Clear? Question is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Yes, angle 1 and angle 2 both are adjacent angle. Clear? Means answer is yes. Clear? Second one is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. Clear? It is answer no. Clear? Both are not adjacent angle. Clear? third one, do angle COE, do angle COE and angle EOD form a linear pair. Question is angle, do angle COE and EOD, COE EOD, COE EOD form a linear pair. Clear? It will be also, yes, see, like in this form, COD and it is a E, COE and EOD both are linear pair. Answer is yes. This answer is also yes. Fourth part, R angle BOD and angle DOA supplementary. Question is asking R angle BOD and angle DOA supplementary or not. Both are also supplementary, means answer is yes, because see, BOD and DOA, see, linear pair, like a linear pair it is, means it is also supplementary. Clear? Fifth one, is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? See, vertically opposite, it is also yes. Clear? Last one, what is the vertically opposite of angle 5? Angle 5 vertically opposite, see, COB. Clear? Angle COB. It is a front of this. Clear? Note down this. Question number 10, 11 you can do. Question number 12, find the value of the angles X, Y and Z in each of the following. Question number 12. Clear? It is 55 degree. Find the value of X, Y and Z. Clear? No problem is there. Vertically opposite, I told you in introduction. If you have seen that video, you can do very easily. Solution, X equal to 55 degree, because vertically opposite angle. Clear? After that, find the value of Y. Y means, if you have not seen this line, you see it is in like a linear pair, means angle Y plus 55 equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Clear? Then Y equal to 180 minus 55, Y equal to 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 5, 2. Clear? Y equal to 125. Clear? After that, value of Z means angle Z equal to angle Y by vertically opposite angle. Clear? Then angle Z equal to 125 degree. Clear? Means angle x equal to 55, y equal to 125, z equal to 125. Clear to you? Once again I am telling you, it is a figure given. Find the value of x, y, z. X equal to 55. Clear? X equal to 55. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. Angle y plus 55 equal to 180 by linear pair. Then y equal to 180 minus 55 equal to 125 by transposition method. Clear? Angle z equal to angle y by vertically opposite means angle z equal to 125 degree. Clear? Note down this. Question number 12 second. Clear? Clear? In this question 12 second part, it is a figure asking find the value of x, y, z. See, first see here, angle z equal to 40 degree. Vertically opposite angle. Clear? Then find the value of x. X plus 40 degree plus x plus 25 equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Means x plus 65 equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 minus 65. Then x equal to 115. Clear? After that, find the value of y. X equal to 115 is coming, z equal to 40 is coming. Clear? Y equal to x plus 25. It is a vertically fy. Means angle y equal to x plus 25 degree. Means both are vertically opposite angle. Clear? Means angle y equal to 115 plus 25 equal to y equal to 140 degree. Clear? Again I am telling you this question. X, y, z value is asking. See, first you find this value, angle z. Z equal to 40 vertically opposite. Very easily you can find. Clear? 40 plus x plus 25 equal to 180 by linear pair. Clear? 25 plus 40 65. Then x plus 65 equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 65. X equal to 115. Clear? After that, y equal to, you don't take 40. Y, it is a vertically opposite of x plus 25. Both are vertically opposite of y. Clear? Then y equal to x plus 25 you will write. Clear? After that, y equal to, put the value of x. X equal to 150 is coming. 115 plus 25, 140 degree. Means you can write angle x equal to 115, angle y equal to 140, angle z equal to 40 degree. Clear? It is the answer of 12 seconds. And next one is fill in the blanks that you can do. Clear? This exercise is completed. Please you do this exercise on your fair copy of NCERT. Clear? And next exercise I will explain in next part. write very neat and clean in copy. Okay, thank you students.